Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen. And today we're doing another unboxing and review this time around. These are the JLab JBud Air ANC True Wireless Earbuds. My Teotronic earbuds finally died, and for those of you that follow the electronic media, Amazon has kind of put a kibosh on some of their stuff, so replacement wasn't available. So a really good friend of mine who's a bit of a pain in the ass actually recommended JLab, and they recommended the JBuds Air True Wireless Earbuds. I decided to take it a step up and go to the ANCs because active noise canceling is phenomenal. When I'm out and about, one of the things I hate is background noise interfering with my headset, so these things have been phenomenal. I actually have them in black and in white. Part of it was because I got lucky. They were on sale, so I got them for effectively the same price. They're normally $69.99. JLab was having a sale where they were down to like $39.99, and I got like a 20% off to my friends, so I wanted breaking even for the same cost. So I figured, what the hell, why not? Because I am prone to washing accidentally losing a headset, so I said, what the hell, why not get both of them? So I figured I would share an unboxing with you and also do a quick review, because I've been using the black ones now for about a month or so. They're phenomenal. I love them. The charging case is great. I mean, it's got a ton of great features, and I mean, let's open it up so you guys can see what it comes with, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the features. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please feel free to reach out to any comments, questions, concerns, anything whatsoever. Let's get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the front of the box, and this is going to be kind of easy because of the fact that I really don't even need to look at it this time around. As we can see here, it's got the JLab logo right there. JLab goes with smart assistants. It does Android plus Apple, so you can actually tap the earbuds and get it to, you tap the left one and it actually opens up your Hey Google or your Apple Siri. So it's actually kind of a cool little feature that it has that ability to do that. It does have 40 hours playtime noise canceling modes. Now the 40 hours playtime includes, using them individually and charging them. So it's obviously not a true 40 hours, but overall you can get 40 hours out of the two pairs. It's got a great picture there of the two of them. You've got the whites right there. Like I said, I've got the black ones here as well, with the cloud foam memory foams, which I'll talk about here in a second. JBud Air ANC True Wireless, smart active noise canceling, movie mode, dual connect left or right, custom EQ. Let's go ahead and take a look at the side. It's got one of those stock pictures of a dude. MLS officially audio partner of Major League Soccer plus the jail. Then you got on the back some more details and some more information here. So let's go ahead and take a look here and see what it says here. So we got here, long battery life, JBuds Air ANC features 10 plus hours of wireless playtime in each earbud and 30 plus additional hours from the charging case. That's a total of 40 hours of Bluetooth 5 playtime, which is actually a nice little feature. The Bluetooth 5 gives you a hell of a lot more audio quality than most of the Bluetooth 3 and 4s. Plus, use ANC to tune on even more, and you get 24 plus total hours of ANC playtime. Smart active noise canceling. Smart ANC adjusts to the environment, continually learns how to best cancel noises, offering the best audio experience. Control how you hear outside noise with 3 noise modes: ANC on, ANC off, and be aware. Pass through outside noises. Learn more at jlabaudio.com/smart ANC. Let me talk to you a little bit about some of the ANC features. What I'm loving about it, the ANC on is phenomenal. It is not a joke when it says that it adapts to the environment. I have put them in to test them on, went from off to on, and snapping my fingers. You'll hear it for the first couple seconds, and it quickly adapts to the outside noise and stops. I mean, this thing was modifying everything, and I went through the gambit of different sounds, testing it. I went as far as even testing it, chambering around in my 40 to see what if everything was possible, and it was phenomenal. The Be Aware feature is great. It gives you the ability to be cognitive of outside sounds, which I think is really, really cool. It lets you keep them in while being able to hear, not super clearly, but hear sounds and be aware, especially if you're alone somewhere where you may not feel completely safe wearing a headset. It gives you the ability to be able to hear and have it pass through. Now, movie mode, elevate your movie watching experience with a super low latency mode. Reduce the audio lag so voices match up perfectly to the screen. Learn more at jlabaudio.com/movie mode. Custom EQ sounds. With just a tap or two via touch sensors, you can choose a sound that matches your personal preferences with JLab Signature. Balanced and bass boost modes. And I will tell you right now, the JLab Signature mode, for me personally, has been my favorite. If you're not really into bass, the balance mode is phenomenal. If you really dig your bass, the bass boost mode is phenomenal, but I really like what they do with the JLab Signature. It really feels like they really took the time to balance out something that acoustically sounds phenomenal. You have dual connect, use either earbud independently or use both and experience a seamless connection. One mic picks up and eliminates surrounding noise while the other picks up your voice for clear conversations anywhere and anytime. And let me tell you, it is really clear. That's what sold me on it, was talking to my friend and thinking that they were on their phone and it was actually their JBuds Air, not the ANCs, but the regular ones, which is what caught my attention. I was like, holy crap. And I had literally just finished destroying my last set. So let's take a look here. You've got the charging case with the integrated USB charging cable. You've got both of the buds left and right. You've got 3 ear gels. It comes with small, medium, and large. It is set or preset in the box with the mediums, and then it comes with a medium set of cloud foam ear tips. I have unusually small ear canals for a guy my size, so usually I go with the small, but what I found is that the cloud foam ear tips, which is real similar to those orange earplugs that you use when you're trying to block out noises, the ear protection, you squeeze them, then slide them into your ear, let it go and hold it steady for a second, and it actually conforms to the ear. It also comes with these set cushions, which kind of give you like a resting place for where it lands up against the ear. I've kept them on just because I was told that they work really well, so that's it. Then you got obviously the JLab audio.com, JLab, and you've also got some more information there. Let's go ahead and take a look here. 3 noise control modes, normal sound, which is part of the Be Aware, smart ANC off, smart ANC on, control how much ambient noise you let in. Nice little picture of the headset there, plus the earbuds there. You got a limited 2-year warranty, 30-day satisfaction guarantee, provided direct by JLab Audio. And then top, just Find Your Go, which is their logo, which is pretty cool. Bottom, you've got some standard stuff there. Speaker drivers, 12mm drivers, battery 40 plus hours total, 10 hours in each earbuds, 55 mAh per each earbud. Listening to music on medium volume, ANC off, 30 plus hours charging. Then it's got some more Bluetooth information, recyclable packaging, and the standard, CEs and UEs codes. So let's go ahead, let's get these bad boys open. Let's take a look here. And let's see here, we got a little bit of strip there. So let me go ahead, let me grab the trusty little knife. I'll be right back. So I got my little knife, and I just stabbed myself. Let's go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it open right here. Boom. I'm gonna push through this tab right here. Slides right out. Go ahead and put that over there. And we got the cover here, JLab Audio. For help with your product or elevate your experience further, visit JLab Audio. Standard little blue box, nothing crazy there. Same thing, Find Your Go. It's kind of like their mantra when you go to their website. Open it up, let's take a look here. What do we got? So we've got the Smart Guide right there, which you open up the Smart Guide. This thing is really user friendly. It's very simple. First time setup, connecting your Bluetooth. Instructions, adding new additional Bluetooth devices, turn off Bluetooth, blah blah blah. One of the things I like about it is, just like the other Bluetooths that I've opened and showed you guys in the past, it has multiple features. One of the things I don't like about this one, but it is a flaw in a lot of the other ones, is that volume up and volume down, you have to have both of them in. Now, I don't always keep both of them in. I always have Bluetooth in most times when I'm not in the car, so I usually just keep the right one in. So I've gotten used to that, but for those of you that are looking for something that has both, it's not going to do that. I don't think this manufacturer has one that you can only wear one either way that does that. But the one thing that I don't like is, even if you have both in, when you're looking at the instructions, you'll notice that track forward, press and hold 1 second, track forward on your right ear, but there is no rewind on the left earbud. That is probably the one flaw that I found in these things. Otherwise, it's phenomenal. It's got everything you can think of. On the left side, you got volume down. On the left side, you've got the OK Google, double tap. And you also have the settings for the ANC on, off, and Be Aware. Turning it on, you can press and hold for 3 seconds. Change the EQ, press and hold for 3 seconds. On the right side, you've got the volume up. You've got the answer or hang up, which that does double for the left side when you're only wearing the left side. So that's not a bad thing. Same with the reject incoming calls. The only downside is, again, that track forward. Turning it on is the same and changing the EQ is the same, but the instructions are pretty cut and dry. Not really majorly complex because they're not really super over-the-top complex, but I think it is better than some of the instructions that we've gotten in some of the other ones. You do get a free gift when you register the product. Additional earbuds. I will tell you which are the blue ones, which are the cloud foam ones that I was talking about earlier. Downside is that I think they're back ordered to like October, so I'm still waiting on the free gift from the black ones, but here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look. So it's got a little plastic insert here. We'll pull that out. There's your left and your right. Nothing crazy here. There they are. Get a good view of them, left and right. I gotta be honest, as douchey as white appears, I'll probably be changing to the white just because I like my shit to stand out. And I hate to say it, but bright white earbuds is something that is going to draw attention no matter how big a nerd you are. Not like the tattoos don't already help. Let's go ahead and take a look. There's the case. It's got the LED lights. If you notice here, you don't see them on the blue because I turned them off, but if you have a pair in, if you take them out, drop them in, you'll see the LED lets you know it's charging, then it'll show the blue one for which one is in. Open it up, take a look. Same exact setup as the black. You got your space for your right. Has a little indicator here, little R, little L over here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, you can see it there in the video. The case then it's got its lights there to let you know it's active. Now, let's talk a little bit about the USB charging thing. This is probably the one physical functional thing that I was not a fan of when it came to this case and charging. Now what's cool is that you don't have to ever go looking for a cable. It's always there. The problem is finding something to charge it into. For those of you that are always carrying your laptop, it's really functional because you can plug them right into your laptop while you're working. Have your earbuds in, listening to whatever you're listening to, and keep it charging. Now I will tell you that you don't have to charge it all the time. I mean, I've had the black one disconnected for probably about a week while I was waiting for the white ones to come in, because to be honest I was like, let it die, so when the white ones come in I can start using it. But the freaking thing is still going. It's ludicrous how much charge and how long it holds that charge for. But it is an extremely short cable. It is only that long. It's got your standard CE information there. It's very short. It's talking, what, maybe 3 inches at best. So it can be a little bit of a nuisance. I figured a way around that. I went on Amazon, and I'll post a picture here so you guys to see it, and probably put in a link in the description. But what I want to do is go on Amazon and getting a USB extender. So it's like, the one I bought was 3 feet long, it's bright red, and it connects to the power block and then brings up another female USB end so that I can plug the male USB end right into it. So that worked really well for me. Inside here, if we can get it to pop up, you've got the additional earbuds. By default, they come mounted with the mediums, which is not a bad size. It's not a bad thing for it to have the medium on by default. For me personally, they're a little too big. So if I'm using these silicone ones, I need to be wearing the small ones. For the sake of the of my ears though, and for comfort, I'm actually using these, the medium-sized cloud foam tips. What's cool about the cloud foam tips, and let me show you on the black ones, so I don't have to pull these out, but so this is a cloud foam tip. It's bright blue, which is actually kind of cool because it's a little different from the standard, you know, matching earpiece. But what you do with these is that you squeeze them, and then you let them go, slide it into your ear quick, hold it steady for a few seconds, about 3 seconds, give or take, and they expand. And what it does is it expands in your ear canal, creating a really nice fit. So the benefits to that being that they're super comfortable. They don't hurt your ear canal for those of us with smaller ear canals. And at the same time, it seals in the audio, creates an even better grip. Don't get me wrong. The silicone ones, the gel ones are phenomenal. And you do have 3 sizes to choose from. You have the mediums already on. You have the large and the small here. But it is phenomenal, those cloud ear tips. It really comes in handy for those of us that have smaller ear canals and that aren't exactly wanting to use the smalls, because you might be kind of in the middle where the medium or the small, so the small still can make it a little loose. I gotta be honest with you, I detailed the entire car wearing the smalls and it didn't go anywhere. So that's a lot of movement for those of you who ever detailed the car. So it really worked. As far as audio clarity, so let's talk about phone calls first. Like I said, my friend who, again, pain in the ass, love him to death, recommended it. He recommended them to me, and what sold me was the fact that he was wearing them while he was telling me about it, and I thought he was on his iPhone. I thought he was on his iPhone 12. I did not know he was wearing earbuds at the time we spoke. So it blew me away that the audio was so clear that it was so clear that I was shocked that he was on a headset. It's bottom line. The audio clarity on both ends is phenomenal. When you're talking to somebody, it's especially when you're using the active noise canceling, it really feels like you're almost in a room with that person. The quality is phenomenal. Volume control is amazing. Obviously you have the ability to control it from the earbuds and from the actual phone, but it overall is just a phenomenal piece of audio quality for calls. Now let's talk about music. So I am a Spotify guy. I am an iHeartRadio guy. I am even, using the MP3 player built into my phone. So across the different varying platforms, YouTube and Disney Plus and Netflix and all that, across all the platforms, it's phenomenal. Really, how loud it's capable of going is really going to be based on how loud the output is. I've noticed that iHeartRadio outputs their audio louder than what I get out of my Spotify. So even though I'm controlling the volume, it almost feels like they're broadcasting at a lower volume, but it's still phenomenal. I actually I'm usually that guy who puts his volume at max because I plan on going deaf by the time I'm 50. But I'm keeping it about 3/4 of the way up, only because it's just so clear and crisp that there's no need for me to have it blasting. The different EQs are phenomenal. Like I said earlier, they're amazing for audio. You don't get the whole tinniness that you get sometimes with headsets and some of the other Bluetooth earpieces. It really just has a warm acoustical sound. I think it's great. And I listen to a little bit of everything. I've gone from country to classic to hip hop to R&B, and it just doesn't skip a beat in any way. So definitely it's one of those things where if you like this style of earbud, you like the charge, and you can definitely get over the rewind feature and the short USB cable, I would definitely recommend these. I think they're a great addition to any audiophiles collection. If you are looking for a new Bluetooth headset, they've got them obviously got them in all electronic stores, usually, like I said, for I think it's $59.99. Amazon had them at $55. JLab right now through their direct website has them for, I believe it was $40. And they even do like a deal where you get an additional headset for like $5. So I actually wound up buying that because I needed it for Belle's, because she needed a new headset. So I got those as well too. Saving those for her. I'll let her decide if she wants to do an unboxing. But it was one of those things that JLab Audio has really stepped up the game in $100 or less Bluetooth headsets. Headset quality in general has been phenomenal from these guys, and just because of what I've experienced so far in the last month with the black ones, it was worth to get the pair as part of the overall deal. Again, haven't used the white ones just yet, but only on the black ones. But so far the experience, like I said, with the black one has been phenomenal. It's just a great all-around headset. So there it is, guys. If you're looking for a headset, for me, this is for the bang for the buck. It's definitely worth it. But that's everything included. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great night.